Model, 64-plate Volkswagen Caddy with roof rack C20 1.6TDI 102PS Startline MOTED simple repair open mouth smile trader margin open mouth smile BARGAIN smiling face. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,680. MOT, 21 July 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6TDI 102PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Very slightly underpowered due to turbo actuator needs replacing, open mouth smile rest of turbo has been thoroughly checked and is fine grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean.